Here are the key features of the RN-7-SW-3 Alpha roof mounting system by Xiamen Rineng Solar Energy Technology. Versatile design allows for systems compatibility with various roof types, including trapezoidal metal, corrugated and cement roofs. We can offer various types of bolt application for wooden or steel roof beams. Conveniently, modules can be installed either in portrait or landscape configuration. High-quality materials, AL6005 aluminium and SUS304 stainless steel, ensures long-lasting and trouble-free service life. Strong wind gusts can cause damage or even destruction of roof-mounted systems, considering that we designed this system to withstand wind loads of up to 216 kilometers per hour. Simple but well thought out design ensures installation is quick and trouble-free. It consists of the following steps: drilling holes, installation of the L-shaped support structures, mounting rails and fitting. Conveniently, these can be adjusted by height with a range of 20 millimeters. And as a final step, attachment of solar modules. All systems elements are securely fixed and hold together, ensuring safety and long-term operational reliability of the system. For this product, we offer 10 years warranty. Product design conveniently conforms to the various national standards, including German DIN 1055, Japanese JISC 8955, Australian AS/NZS 1170, as well as international IBC 2006. We specialise in solar mounting, have our own R&D department and years of experience in photovoltaic racking, developing more than 30 mounting systems and hundreds of accessories so far. Thorough testing and strict quality control, durable materials and proven design, 24/7 online customer service, fast delivery with a large stock on hand, and top quality with reasonable price make us able to deliver a perfect solution to all your solar mounting needs.